Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kimmy here. And today I'm going to show you Chicken Karaage. It's a wonderful Japanese style chicken curry, fried chicken. And I learned this recipe from watching this anime called Shokugeki no Sama. It's a very interesting anime. um, so yeah, I made it several times after that, and oh my god, it's one of the best Japanese cuisine or dishes that I've ever tried. So let's get started. This is extremely easy, guys. You know I don't like making overcomplicated recipes or dishes. So all you need are some chicken thighs. So I have about 3 medium-sized chicken thighs here. You need sesame oil, chili sauce, soy sauce, garlic and ginger paste. You can buy the ones that's been grounded. You can ground it yourself. You'll also need some salt, apple juice for the marination. And this is optional, you guys. Marin. You can use this is a cooking marin that I got here. This is a cooking marin. It's like a bit like sake, but it's a lot sweeter. And since this one's for cooking, it's a lot sweeter and a lot more, it's a lot weaker than sake alcohol content wise. You can also use sake if you want to have a stronger taste of that. Also, you're gonna need some chicken bouillon powder. If you don't want that, you can omit that. You can always omit the chicken powder. You can use MSG if you want. So let's get started, you guys. So you just want to start cutting this into little pieces, right? So I think I'm just gonna cut this into four pieces, like so. Okay, so I have sliced and my chicken into tinier pieces. By the way, you have to use dark meat. You cannot use white meat on karaage. It's going to be extremely dry. You want it to be juicy. Alright, so to the 3 medium-sized chicken thighs, I'm going to add about just a little bit of soy sauce, about a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon of soy sauce. And to that, I'm also gonna add about 2/3 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. About a teaspoon of sesame oil. About a tablespoon of mirin, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and to top it all off, we're gonna add some apple juice, guys. So about 1 cup of apple juice here. So in Shokugeki no Sama, or Food Wars in anime, they used onion, apple, garlic, ginger and garlic. I'm not sure about the ginger and garlic, but this is my twist on that. I don't want to add grounded or blended apple, like pure apple, because I don't want to. So I think I added about half a cup of, or almost half a cup of apple juice here. I think I'll add more. Okay, so you just want to marinate this for about at least 2 hours. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'll start marinating it. So I'll put this what am I saying? I'm not in massage. By the way, it's Chinese New Year here in Hong Kong, and like here in Hong Kong, or Chinese in Chinese culture, we give, like, if you're married, you would usually give to your nephews, nieces, kids, or anyone who's younger than you, and you have to be older than them. And this contains some money, and you're not supposed to open the red pocket until much later. We believe that this gives good luck. So these are called red pockets or lai si in Chinese, and this means luck. This character means fok, which means luck.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so this has been marinating for about 3 hours. You could leave this overnight, but these are fairly small cut of chicken, so you don't really need to over marinate it. But of course, you can always marinate it overnight. It's never gonna be a problem. So what you want to do now is drain a little bit of your chicken. You don't need all of those apple juice. So just leave a little bit, and now you're gonna use about some cornstarch or potato starch, whichever you have. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, so you're gonna keep adding until you get to about something really gooey. So this is how I make it, okay? So still gooey now. Okay, so just put that aside first. And what you're gonna do now is get yourself a plate or a container and put some cornstarch. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take some of the chicken and put them or coat them with cornstarch or potato starch. Okay. So you're gonna keep doing this until okay. So This is the first batch, guys. I'm gonna deep fry this at 130 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna put the Fahrenheit conversion because I'm not sure what it is in Fahrenheit. So let's go deep fry these karaage. Okay, so now my oil is hot here. I'm gonna place them one at a time. And you just want to fry this at a lower temperature first because you want the chicken inside to stay cooked or cook slowly.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so I think our karaage is done. Look at that beautiful brown color. So we're just gonna start plating this. But this is so good, you guys. You guys are gonna love this. It's sweet. It's very delicious. Is what I would say. Okay, guys. So this is the chicken karaage. Ideally, you would want to leave this for about 2-3 minutes for it to cool, let it cool down first. But I'm too excited to taste this. It is so good. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love this, guys. First bite, people. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is so good, you guys. I hope you guys are here to taste this. I would love to have a party with this, serving this. It's so tender, so moist, but yet so flavorful and so crispy on the outside. Look. Oh my god. Okay guys, so once again, this is your girl, Kimmy Cat, signing out. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, please do and help me grow my channel. I would appreciate it, you guys. Or leave a like if you don't want to subscribe. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything, guys. So thank you so much for watching this recipe on my chicken